Starting a car detailing business comes down to two things: knowing the trade and knowing how to run the business. I'm Gabe from Housecall Pro, where we work with over 200,000 pros across service businesses. And this is the best distilled information we've gathered so that you can launch and make a profit. Before you take on a paying client, there are hard skills that you need to know. We're not detailers, so we're not going to pretend to teach you the trade, but the pros we work with consistently mention these core skills: paint correction, ceramic coating, interior and exterior deep cleaning, and headlight restoration. These are services that restore and protect a vehicle's value. Now, we can't teach you these, but pros tell us that they started with a bunch of different things: courses, online courses, YouTube even, or they apprenticed at a local workshop. Some even practiced on their own car or an old broken down hunker, or they borrowed one from friends and family if you're feeling brave. Or you could get certified through the International Detailing Association, the IDA. It could make your business more legitimate and give you an edge, but a lot of folks disagree on whether or not it's really worth it. Bottom line, do not skip the training and jump straight to marketing or trying to get a client. One botched paint correction to someone's new car can cost you more in damage than you'd make in an entire month. Now we get into the business side. This is what we know. Every single successful detailing business starts with at least some kind of plan. It doesn't have to be long, but it does have to exist, okay? At minimum, your plan should cover 5 things: an executive summary, your goals in plain language. What are you doing? A market analysis. You're checking Google Maps, Yelp, and Instagram to see what competitors charge and where the gaps in the market are. Then your service menu, your marketing strategy, and a financial overview of your costs, pricing, and what you expect to make in your first year. Write it down. Trust me, having it on paper focuses you so that you have to find the gaps before they cost you money in the future. Now let's talk about your business structure. Most new detailers default to sole proprietorship. It's simple and you just start working and it's basically set up. But there's real risk. If something goes wrong and you get sued, your personal assets are on the table. If you start an LLC, a limited liability company, it puts a wall between your business and your personal finances. It separates your personal assets like your house or your car from your business liabilities. You can see why that's important. For most solo detailers, an LLC is the smart choice. It gives you protection without being overly complicated, but every situation is different, so talk to a tax professional about what makes sense for you. Now, what does it actually cost to get started? What are your upfront costs? This depends on how serious your setup is. These are estimated ranges based on industry averages. Costs will shift over time, so check the link in the description for the most current numbers. A basic setup: towels, vacuum, foam cannon, polisher, and chemicals runs $800 to $1,500. You can realistically start taking clients at this level. An intermediate setup with a steam cleaner, a DA polisher, an extractor, and ceramic supplies runs $2,000 to $5,000. And a full professional setup with high-end polishers, commercial steamers, and advanced coating equipment runs $5,000 to $15,000. There are a few ways to keep those early costs down. You can buy refurbished polishers or vacuums. Start with core services and add specialty equipment over time. Keep it simple and use all-in-one chemical kits in the early days. As your workflow gets consistent and revenue comes in, then you upgrade. Now, you can also run a mobile detailer, spend a bit more upfront on your vehicle outfitting, water tanks, generators, but you save on rent and utilities every month because you don't have a brick and mortar location. Now, here is the gear that pros told us they actually started with. Not the industry, not me, the actual detailers we work with: a pressure washer and a foam cannon, a professional vacuum and a steam cleaner, and microfiber towels and applicators. Stuff like paint correction tools, buffers and polishers, ceramic coating supplies once you're ready for premium work. And if you're running mobile, a generator and a water tank so you can work independently at any location. The detailing industry has no shortage of gear that you can spend money on. Start with what you need to deliver a quality exterior and interior clean, and then reinvest in higher end tools as the money comes in. Now, business insurance is non-negotiable for a detailer. You're working on other people's property. If a customer's car gets damaged, you need to be covered. General liability covers accidents and property damage. Commercial auto covers your work vehicle while you're driving to the job. Your personal policy won't cover that. Garage keeper's liability covers the customer's vehicle while it's in your care. This is crucial for detailers, and tools and equipment insurance protects your gear from theft or damage. Get a few quotes from a few brokers and compare them. You're the customer now, so be tough. Now on the customer side, what should you charge? Here are some ballpark ranges for common detailing services. These are starting points. Your actual rates should reflect your costs, skill level, and local market. Basic exterior wash, $40 to $75. Full interior and exterior detail, $150 to $350 and up. Paint correction, $300 to $1,000 and more depending on the level of work, and ceramic coating, $400 to $2,000 and up. These are 2026 averages. Remember to click the link in the description for the most current numbers. Onto your pricing structure. Most detailers use flat rates for standard packages. That was everything you just heard, but they use an hourly for labor-intensive work like a paint correction, usually $75 to $100 an hour. You can also build a good, better, best package. This is really popular right now. A basic wash, a premium detail, and a VIP protection package. This gives the client a clear choice and makes it easier to upsell, and they're usually going to pick better or best because good is the worst. When you're setting your rates, calculate the cost of the labor and materials for each package. Add a profit margin that keeps your business sustainable, and then check what your competitors are charging. Do not underprice to win jobs. Your expertise and the quality of your work are valuable, and adjust based on the size and condition of every vehicle. A heavily neglected car is not a standard detailing job, so you charge accordingly. Now, marketing is what separates a detailer with a full schedule from one waiting by the phone. Here's what actually works early on. Step 1 is a Google business profile. This is your most critical asset for getting found locally. You add your business, your name, your phone number, website, hours, services, and photos of your work. So when someone searches car detailing near me, this is how you show up. Step 2, before and after content. Every job is a marketing opportunity, so take a photo before and a photo after. You can post it on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, wherever your local market is, because before and afters are some of the best performing content in the detailing space. I've also seen things like job walkthroughs where they film the entire job from start to finish. If you're into that and you like video editing, you can try that too. Step 3, your immediate network. Do a few jobs at a discount for people you know and ask for a Google review immediately after, because reviews are what move you up in the local search. Step 4, local Facebook groups and Nextdoor. Introduce yourself, offer a first client discount, just get in the door. This works faster than paid ads. When you're brand new with no reviews yet, you're funneling people towards a business with no social proof. So just get something. Step 5, business partnerships. Car dealerships, auto body shops, rental agencies, these are recurring revenue relationships, and one account can keep you booked for weeks. And once jobs start coming in, you need a system to manage them. Here's what Housecall Pro handles for a detailing business. Scheduling and dispatching. You can manage appointments, send confirmations, track your whole day from your phone, online booking, let your customers book directly through your website or Google, no back and forth messages, invoicing and payments, creating estimates, accepting payment on the spot or online, and follow-ups, automated texts or emails, asking after the job for a Google review automatically. That's how you build your review count without chasing people manually. The business side is where most detailers drop the ball. They do great work, but then they lose track of payments, they forget to follow up, or they quote inconsistently. The full guide is linked in the description, and it goes deeper on licensing by state, securing funding, and scaling to a team. If this was at all useful for you, please drop a like and drop your questions in the comments. And as always, good luck, and thanks for watching.